Hello and welcome to Self-Employed Moron, where I take you through our journey of running two businesses, raising a family, and navigating this crazy world that we live in. I'll be showing you the goods, the bads, the highs, the lows, tips and tricks, and everything in between about running your own business and being self-employed. I've been self-employed now for 6 years. I've had some big wins, big losses, and I've made a lot of mistakes. I'll be giving you some good to-dos and good what not to do's, all based on my own experience.
Shit's getting real.
Please join me through my wonderful journey of being a self-employed moron.
And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It helps Google figure out who should watch what, and it would be nice to get some views. So, thank you.